In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Wix. Editing text is one of the most common things you'll do when building your website, and thankfully, Wix makes it very simple. Whether you're changing a headline, updating a paragraph, or fixing a typo, the basic process is always the same, and once you know it, you can apply it anywhere on your site. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor. This is the main workspace where you design your site. You'll see your page layout with all of your elements like images, buttons, and of course text boxes. If you're in preview mode, switch back to the editor so you can make changes. Now find the text you want to edit on your page. This could be your main title, a subtitle, or any body text in a section. Once you've located it, move your mouse over that text. When you hover over it, you should see a faint outline or border around the text element, showing that it's selectable. To start editing, simply double-click on the text. After you double-click, the text box will switch into editing mode. Your cursor will appear inside the text, just like it does in a word processor. From here, you can type normally. You can delete existing words, add new content, correct spelling, or completely rewrite the text if you need to. While you're in this editing mode, you can also highlight specific words or sentences to adjust their style. For example, you might want to change the font, size, color, or alignment. When the text is active, a small toolbar usually appears nearby. This is where you can apply formatting, such as making text larger for headings, adjusting spacing for better readability, or changing the color to match your brand. As you type and format, keep an eye on how the text looks within the overall design of your page. Make sure it fits well within the section, doesn't run off the edge, and is easy to read on both desktop and mobile views. If you make a mistake, you can always undo your last action using the undo button in the editor. When you're done editing, simply click anywhere outside the text box. This will exit the editing mode and lock in your changes. Finally, remember to hit save and then publish when you're ready for these text changes to go live on your actual website. And that's all there is to it. Hover over your text, double-click, edit, and save.